I'm James Peters, Product Manager at Nureva, and today I'll walk you through how to install the HDX microphone pod on a wall. Microphone pods can be mounted either on the ceiling or on the wall and support standard VESA mountings for compatibility with portable stands and ceiling mounts. For how to mount on the ceiling or with a VESA mount, check out our other videos. Before getting started, review the HDX user guide for placement recommendations. This will help you choose the ideal mounting locations for all the HDX system components in your room. The microphone pod comes with a mounting bracket for use on a ceiling or wall, T-bar clips, screws, and washers specific to ceiling mounted installation. For more information on the required tools for installation, refer to the HDX user guide. For best performance, mount the microphone pod at or above head level on the wall. Microphone pods can generally be installed between 3 feet or 0.9 meters and 12 feet or 3.7 meters from the floor. It's also a good idea to keep microphone pods at least 5 feet or 1.5 meters away from other microphone pods or audio bars to maintain consistent audio coverage. For the clearest audio pickup, avoid mounting microphone pods near vents, fans, or anything else with consistent noise. To begin, hold the mounting bracket on the wall in the chosen location. Make sure it is level and trace the two center oblong holes of the bracket to mark your drill points. Remove the bracket, drill the holes where you marked, and insert the wall anchors. Then, place the mounting bracket back on the wall and securely fasten it with the screws. Next, determine how you want to run the Ethernet cable. For a cleaner look, you can route the cable through the center opening of the mounting bracket. This keeps the cable hidden under the microphone pod once it is installed. If that's not possible, you can simply run the cable along the wall and connect it between the bracket and the microphone pod. Remember to plug the Ethernet cable into the pod on the back of the microphone pod before mounting it on the wall. The microphone pod has keyhole attachment points at the back. Ensure the widest part of each keyhole is oriented towards the floor before installation. For additional security, you can attach a security wire or tether through the small hole in the wire frame. Using both hands, align the keyholes on the back of the microphone pod with the mounting pegs. Press the pod onto the bracket and slide it downward until it secures into place. When the microphone pod is correctly installed, the Nureva logo will be at the bottom. Your microphone pod is now securely mounted. Just connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to one of the HDX audio input ports on the back of the system hub. Repeat these same steps for each microphone pod in your setup. Also, check out our other installation videos for guidance on mounting other HDX components.